In this video, I'll detail how to on stable volume in YouTube. So if you're playing videos on YouTube and you discover that the volume is not stable, then there is a feature that allows you to make the volume stable while watching videos on YouTube. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to turn this on. So if you're done with this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on stable volume in YouTube, all you just need to do is open the YouTube application on your phone. So once you open the YouTube application, go back to the YouTube home screen like this and then locate the video you want to watch. So let's say I just want to watch a random video, this. Then while the video is playing, just like this, let the ad play, and once the ad is done playing, just go ahead, locate this settings jar icon at the top right, click on it. Then once you click on that, come here and click on additional settings. Then once you click on additional settings, locate stable volume. If this is disabled in your home case, then you need to enable it to turn it on like this. So it's disabled, then turn it on and make sure the stable volume is enabled. So that is basically how you can turn on stable volume in YouTube. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.